So let's start the fourth topic of computer fundamental and basic structure of computer. Structure of computer. This type of structure, a computer consists of input unit, control, central processing unit and output unit. Input unit is work to insert the data of any types of information, storage unit to store the data, control unit to control the data, control the instruction and information, and arithmetic logic unit to work the arithmetic operations. The input unit is type of keyboard, scanner, printer. Storage unit to store the data primary or secondary, and arithmetic logic unit. It is the subtraction, multiplication, addition and division to control the entire work of mathematical calculations. And output unit. Output unit is to give the results of the work, printer, monitor and etc. The control unit is to manage and coordinate the user to entire computer system. So first you understand, I will explain in Hindi. कंप्यूटर का स्ट्रक्चर इस तरीके से, पहले है इनपुट, दूसरा है कंट्रोल यूनिट यानी सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट और तीसरा है उसका आउटपुट यूनिट। इनपुट यूनिट काम करता है जहाँ से हमें इंस्ट्रक्शन ऐसे देनी पड़ती है, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट उसे ट्रांसलेट करके ट्रांसफ़र करने का काम करता है और आउटपुट यूनिट जो है उसका रिजल्ट हमें देने का काम करता है। इस तरीके से कंप्यूटर जो है वर्क करता है। कंप्यूटर को इसकी ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी? क्योंकि कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट बी अंडरस्टैंड एनी टाइप ऑफ नेचर लैंग्वेज. इट डज नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, मराठी, इंग्लिश एंड एनी टाइप ऑफ नेचर लैंग्वेज. It can understand only the machine language, and machine language is that 0 and 1. 0-1 is a machine language. I will explain the detail of 0-1. First of all, you can understand this structure of computer. So computer system consists of 3 units. Computer system, the 3 units: input unit, central processing unit, CPU, and output unit. The central processing unit has 3 parts. First, memory unit, second, control unit, third is arithmetic logic unit. Let me explain input. Input unit. The function performed by the input unit is first, it accepts or read the instruction and data from the outside of the world. It control these instruction and data in computer acceptable form. It supply the converted instruction and data to be computer system. Further processing, it accept input and output device such as a keyboard, mouse and scanner. Output unit. The function of performing by the output unit is it accept the result proceed by the computer, which are coded form. It convert these coded result to human assistant, acceptable or readable form. It supply the converted result to the outside of the world. It give output through the output device such as a printer, monitor and etc. The central processing unit. It is the brain of computer. So let's see. Central processing unit, CPU, consists of memory unit, control unit and arithmetic logic unit. The CPU is the brain of computer. In a human body, all the decisions are taken by the brain. Similarly, in a computer system, all major calculations are comparison and made inside of the CPU, and the CPU is responsible for activities and control the operation of other unit, the computer system. So this is the part of the entire work of computer structure. After that I will give the fifth lecture of computer फंडामेंटल एंड बेसिक. सो वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आया हो तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और बेल बटन को ज़रूर दबा दें ताकि आने वाले वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आ सके. थैंक यू वेरी मच वंस अगेन. थैंक यू.